Can you see my screen?
Yes.
See, this is the worksheet which I have uploaded. Can you see the worksheet?
Yeah.
This you have to solve. I think you haven't solved that.
Oh, like the whole thing?
Yes? That you have solved was the previous worksheet. That was the old worksheet that you have solved. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll do that also, don't worry.
I'm at the park right now. So I'm gonna turn on my camera when I get back home.
Yes? Yes, 504. I see.
I'm at the park. So I'm at the park. So when I get home, I'm gonna turn back on my camera.
I can't understand. Please speak loudly. I can't understand.
He said that he was gonna turn on his camera once he got home because he's at the park right now.
Okay, he was outside. Okay, no problem. You can switch off your camera, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's share the whiteboard.
Yes.
Let me share the whiteboard. Then we'll start. My online board is ready.
I can't hear you very well.
Okay, no problem. You can switch off the camera. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, let's solve the worksheet that I uploaded yesterday. Okay, now see. So the first question is the sum of 3,48,750 and a number is 15 lakh. So we have to find a number. So can you see the sum of two numbers is given. Sum of two numbers is given and we know the first number. Okay, and now we have to find the another number. So how we will find the next number? Do you have any idea how we'll find the next number? Okay, is my voice is audible? Is I am audible to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So now see here what is given. Sum of the numbers is given. Okay. Sum of the numbers. First of all, we will write the statement. Sum of the numbers equals to 15 lakh. This is sum of the numbers. This is given. Now next is it is asking if one number is given. Here in the question one number is given. That is, suppose the first number is given. This is 3,48,750, and it is saying to find out the another number. So how we will find the another number? What we will do? This is first number. Now see here, rough. Suppose there is two number 4 plus 2 equals to 8. Suppose this is example. I am giving the example. Okay. 4 is given, 8 is given, and we have to find this number. This is the second number. We have to find this. Similarly, in the question, 15 lakh is in the place of here. Okay. And 3,48,000 is the place of here. These two numbers are given and we have to find the number, or we have to find the second number. Okay. So what we will do, if I will subtract the first number from the sum of the two numbers, then we will get the second number. For finding the second number, we have to subtract. Is it clear why we are subtracting? Please tell me first, is it clear that why we are subtracting?
It's
Because
yes.
we have the sum of two numbers, okay, and among that number, one number is given, and we have to find the another number. That's why we are subtracting. So how to subtract the carry one? We have studied how to subtract the carry one. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 0 minus 5. 0 is small, so we will make it 10. We will make it 10 because 0 is small. We will take one carry from this side and we will make it 10. Now 10 minus 5 will be 5. Now again
Okay.
it is small. We will make it 10. And now we have given 1 to the right side. So it will become 9. It will become 9. Now 9 minus 8 is, sorry, first of all see here. It will make it 10. And we have given 1 to that side. So it will become 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2. Again same process, will make it 10 and 1 we have given to the right side, so it will become 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Same process here also, we will make it 10 and we have given 1 to the right side, so again it will become 9. 9 minus 4 will be 5. Now similarly here 5 is bigger than 3, so we will not carry 1. What we will do, we have given 1 to the right side, so it will become 4. It will become 4. Now 4 minus 3 will be 1. And this one we will write it as it is. So this is the second number. This is the second number. So in the last, what we will write? In the last, find the number. So we will write the number is see, number I am writing the short form, you all can write in the full. The number is 11,51,250. Now tell me, if this question is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, then tell me. I
Yes.
can explain you. 501. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear. Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let's move forward for the second one. How much is 6,24,803 short of 11,20,000? Next, let's see the next one. The next one is, how much is rupees 6,24,803 short of 11,20,000? So how you find the amount that is short? Short means less. How much is less? So for finding the how much is less, what we will do? We will
Subtract.
subtract. Yes, we will subtract. So what you will write? You will write the bigger number in the top. You write the bigger number equals to, then write the difference equals to, and then the smallest number. Can you do this? Or I have to tell you this one, second one? You simply just have to find the difference.
I didn't hear you.
I'm telling that did you do this question number 2, or I have to tell this how to do?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, yeah, all of you do this one. Second A, question number 2A. Here no need to make the statement because this is not in the statement. You can directly solve it. Yes, 505297. No, I think that some calculation is mistake. The answer will be 495197. 5.5. Do you get the answer? Please bring more closer. Your answer is 5. No, how you all are getting 575? This is wrong. No, this is wrong. Say, please make correction. Check the calculation. Calculation mistake. There is some calculation mistake. Subtract again.
Can you show the slide again?
Yeah. Sure. Again, you are getting 5 lakh. Okay, let me show. Wait, again there is calculation mistake. Wait, I will show. The number is 1 1 1 2 0 0 0 again 0. Okay, 11 lakh, and here 6 2 4 8 0 3. Now everyone see that. Yeah, wait a minute. Yes. Yeah, now you've got 5 6 5 9 5. Yeah, no, again some mistake. Not 207, it will be 197. Something mistake again. Just a minute. Okay, see here everyone. Everyone see here. This is 0 and here is 3. So we have to make it 10 to subtract. So what I will do, I will make it 10 and I will carry this from one side from here. So it will become 10. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. Now see here, it will become, again I will take carry from this side, so it will become 10. And now I have given 1 to this side. 1 I have given from 10, I have given 1 to the right side, so it will become 9. Now 9 minus 0 will be 9. Okay. Now again this is 0. First I will make it 10. I will make it 10. I will take carry from the left side. I will make it 10. And now I have given 1 to the right side, so it will become 9. Why it will become 9? Because I have given 1 to this side. Okay, so 9 minus 8 will be 1. Now again see here, again I will take carry 1 from this side, and I have given 1 to this side, so again it will become 9. 9 minus 4 will be 5. Now see here it is 2, but I have given 1 carry to the right side, so it will become 1. And 1 is smaller than 2. So for this, what we have to do? We have to take 1 carry from the left side. So I have to make it 11. I have taken carry from this side and I have made it 11. Now 11 minus 2 is 9. Now see here, I have given carry to here to this side, so it will become 0. It will become 0. And then again I have to take carry 1 from this side, so it will become 10. Now 10 minus 6 will be 4. And here we have given carry to this side, so it will become 0. So this is the answer, 4,95,000. Now tell me, is it clear now?
Yes, and I'm back home.
Yes, now just check your calculation. Have you checked your calculation? I think you are just counting it 11. That's why you are getting a 5. You are counting it together, I think. Okay. Now let's see the next one. See the next question. What should be added to this number to make it this bigger number? What we will add? What should be added to 52,34,854 to make it 5,23,000 5 crore 23,48,540. So for this, what we will do? We have to find that what we will add. So whatever the difference we'll find by after subtracting these two numbers, that number we should add. Okay, so for this, what we will do? We will subtract. Just subtract and tell me the answer. What you have got? 4, 7, 1, 501. Your calculation mistake is there. And what you have got? 6, 8, 6. 515. Please tell me your answer. 471.
It's 471136885.
685. No, 5 is not there.
Oh, sorry, 686.
Yes. 686. 501. Check the calculation.
Okay, I changed it.
Yes?
Yeah.
Can I see the question?
Yeah, sure. Just a minute.
Thank you.
Welcome. Try, then I will tell you.
Miss Amita, someone has the answer.
Okay. Four, 7, 1, 3, 6, 8, 3. Yes, now it's correct. Yes, both answers are correct. Okay. Now let's see the next question now. If you have done this is right. Okay, now see the next one. We have done the third one. The difference of two numbers is given. The difference of two numbers is given and the bigger number is given. We have to find the smaller number. Same process. This is the same process. Difference of two numbers is given. Here the difference is given. See, difference is given. The bigger number is given, and we have to find the smallest number. So what we will do? How we'll find the smallest number?
Subtract.
Yes. But see the next one. Here we will subtract. And now see the next one. The difference of two numbers is given. Same question. Difference of two numbers is given. If the smaller number is given, find the larger number. So what we will do here?
Subtract.
No, why we will subtract? Here we will not subtract.
Add.
To add.
Yes, we have to add. See how? See why? Suppose 8 is given and 8 is the larger number. Okay, 8 is given and 3. Here is 3 but we don't know 3. This is the smaller number, we don't know 3. And the difference is given. 5. The difference is given. We don't know 3 and we have to find this. So what we will do, I have told you now the process, how to find the minor in that process. So what we will do, 8, we will bring this 5 to the left side of the equals to, and we will take this 3 to the right side of the equals to. We don't know 3, okay, we have to find this 3. So if I will bring 5 to the left side, so the sign will change. It will become minus. 5 is having the plus sign. There is no sign means plus sign. When I will bring this 5 to the left side of the equals to, it will become minus 5. Now equals to. Now what I will do, I will bring this number to the right side of the equals to. So here the sign is minus, it will become plus sign. Suppose let us take it as A because we don't know the number. We don't know number 3, so I am taking it as A. Okay, now we have to find this number. How we'll find? Just a minute. Yes. 8 minus 5 is
3.
3. Okay, so here what we have to find? We have to find the smallest number. See the first one, we have to find the smaller number here. In the question number 3, first question, here we will subtract. Here we will subtract because we have to find the smaller one. This is the smaller one that we have find. Now when the case is there that we have to find the bigger one, can you see when we have to find this? Then what we will do? Let's again see. Now 8 minus 3 we know. 3 is given. 5 is given. Okay. But now in this case 8 is not given. Here we have to find the bigger number. 8 is not given. So what we will do? We will make 8 here only. We will not change the place of 8 because 8 is having positive sign. So what we will do? We will bring this 3 to the right side of the equals to. So what happened? Let's see. Let us assume 8 as A. Let us assume 8 as A because we don't know what is 8. Now equals to 5 is already there. So we will write 5 as it is because it was already there. Now what we have done? We have brought this 3 to the right side of equals to. Okay, we take this 3 to the right side of the equals to. So 3 is having minus sign. 3 is having the subtraction sign. So when the place of the 3 will change, the sign of the 3 will also change. It will become plus. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
5.5?
A little bit. I'm still a little confused on it.
Okay. Now see. In the previous class, the rule of subtraction, according to the rule, what we have seen that whenever any number, we are taking any number from right to left or from left to right of the equals to, the sign change. Okay, the sign change. Suppose any number is having subtraction sign, and when this number goes to the right side of the equals to, the sign will become addition. The sign will change to addition. Or suppose the number is having addition sign and then it go to the right side, then the sign change to subtraction sign. Right? Similarly, if any number is there on the right side of equals to, suppose any number like having subtraction sign is on the right side of the equals to, and I am bringing this number to the left side of the equals to, then also the sign change from minus to plus. Okay, so here according to this, 8 minus 3 equals to 5. We know 3. Here in the question smaller number is given. In the question difference is given. Smaller number is given. But it is asking to find the bigger number, that is we have to find the 8. We have to find the bigger number. We don't know this number. In question this number is not given. We don't know this number. So how will find this number? How will let us assume it as A? We don't know this number. What is this number? So what we will do? We will bring this 3 to the right side of the equals to. See, I have put here equals to, A equals to. Here 5 is already there. So I will write 5 as it is because it was already there. Now I am bringing 3 to the right side of the equals to. So 3 is having the subtraction sign. So the sign of 3 will change to addition and it will become plus 3. Now can you see? Do you understand? Is there any confusion now?
No.
Nope.
Okay. So here see what we have done. We have added. Similarly here also difference is given. Smaller number is given. Difference is given. So how to find the large number? How to find the large number? What we will do? We will add. Right? See, whenever you are getting confusion, you don't understand that what we have to do. We have to add or we have to subtract. Whenever you are in confusion, so always make us an equation like this. Always make equation like this. Suppose I am telling you how to make the equation. Okay, now see how to make the equation. I am making the equation of question number 4. This is the fourth. Okay. So larger number. This is larger number. We don't know. So let larger number we take it L. Larger number, suppose I am taking L. Okay. And difference means minus. Smaller number is given. What is the smaller number? 9, 8, 4, 3, 7. And now the answer, the difference is given 3, 2, 5, 0, 6, 6. See, this is the equation. This is given. Whenever you are in confusion that what you have to do, whether you have to add or subtract, then always whatever given in the question, just write like this in equation. Okay. Now from here you can find out. See, we have to find this. So what we will do? We will take it here alone and put equals to sign. And see, after equals to, this number is already there. So we will copy this number first. We will not do anything with this number. Whatever is there after the equals to, we will not change that. I have written as it is. Whatever is there after the equals to, I have written as it is. Now what I will do? I will bring this number to the right side of the equals to. So this number is having the minus sign. So the sign of the number change. It will become plus sign. 9, 8, 4, 3, 7. So when we will add, we will find the largest number. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So let's add.
Yeah.
6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 3, we will take 1 carry. See how I am adding directly. I am adding the ones place together. This is in the ones place. This is in the ones place. I am adding together. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 3, 1 carry here. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. 0, 1 carry here. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 4 is 5. Now 5 5 plus 8, 13. We will write here 3 and we will take here 1 carry here. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 9, 12. Again 2 and here 1 carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 and here there is no number. It means here it is 0. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will write here 4 and this is the answer. The largest number is 4,23,503. So now tell me, is this question is clear?
Yes.
So whenever you are in confusion, you don't know what to do, whether you have to subtract or you have to add. So what you will do? You will just make an equation like this. Whatever is saying in the question, just write it in this form. Then you will able to know what you have to do. You have to add or you have to subtract. Right?
Right.
So this is your homework. Next question. Very easy. Same process. But just the language is changed. Okay, you have to do this question. See, very easy. It is saying what number should be subtracted from the sum of this and this. It is saying sum of this and this means first you have to find the sum of these two numbers and then you have to subtract from this number.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Just try this question. If you are getting problem in any question, then we will discuss in the next class, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so your homework is start from question number 5 and try to solve questions whatever you can solve. 5 is easy. 6 is also with the same process. See all these now from here, these are the statement sums. So you have to write the statement also. Okay, see above question there is no statement, but from here the statement starts. So write
Okay.
down the statement also. Okay.
Okay. Clear.
So you have seen now from where I have find this worksheet.
Yeah.
This worksheet I have posted in the Teams. Then go to the files. From there, go to the class. See, there is class material. There is a folder. Folder dated 12/8. Okay, just open that folder, and here their homework is written.
Okay.
So you can go and you can just do the homework. Okay.
Okay.
Not necessary to complete all. Whatever the questions you are able to do, you can do. Rest we will discuss in the class. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, everyone, it's time to end up the class.
Thank you. Have a good
Okay, bye. Have a good
And
sleep.
therefore, please practice again. Okay, whatever we have done, the video is there. You can again practice.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Good sleep. Bye.